Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to add a stream inside your FastoCloud PRO panel. So we've got a live stream here. It's from YouTube and we're just going to copy the link of that live stream so that we can add it to our panel. So let's go into our FastoCloud PRO panel. Let's start from the beginning. In order to add a live stream, we go to the tab Servers. Here we press our only server that we've got here. Press the button Details. Here we will have a lot of different streams and proxies and everything else. So in order to add our own live stream, press the button Add. And here we press Restream, Submit. We can name it however we want. Let it just be Best Music Live Stream, because we've got a link of the video Best Music Live Stream. We input our URL, press here HTTP, and just paste our link that we've got of our live stream. Here we press checkbox stream link, and yeah, that's it. We just press the button Add, and let's just check if we've got it. So we go to Streams right here, and look, here we've got Best Music Live Stream, and that's it. That's how you add your own live stream into your FastoCloud PRO panel. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.